Responding to a public health emergency in such extraordinary times can be really challenging. There's a lot to think about to ensure you stay physically healthy. However, equally important is looking after your psychological well-being in this new, challenging environment. You likely feel stressed from the fear of getting infected, whilst also worrying about the people close to you. You may be worried you don't have enough PPE, and you might have to face making tough decisions about who receives treatment. On top of this, you may also be worried about your own family becoming infected, as well as how your community may react when you return home. All these worries will likely have an impact on your personal well-being as a health worker during this intense time, and it's perfectly natural, but still challenging and unpleasant, to feel stressed and upset by the tough situations you're having to deal with. You are allowed to feel this way, and your colleagues will likely be feeling the same. It is okay to feel a range of emotions during these times. To manage these emotions and keep your personal well-being topped up, it's so important that you're honest about your feelings and seek support from the appropriate sources: your colleagues, your peers, your manager, any offered organizational support, and your wider social networks. You may be needed to provide this support for your colleagues. Everybody needs to help each other. Check in regularly with your colleagues to see how you're both doing. You're the only ones that can understand the situations you're facing, and knowing that you're not alone will be the core foundation of maintaining your personal well-being. Keep an eye out for any changes in behavior in your colleagues. These can be warning signs that they are struggling to cope and need support, such as staff reporting difficulty sleeping and eating, feeling irritable or getting angry quickly, and noticeable changes in mood. Remember, stress impacts everyone differently, so be patient when speaking with colleagues and respond with kindness. If someone seems to be struggling but isn't actively seeking support, you can try your best to encourage them to reach out for help to an appropriate source. There are other considerations to looking after your personal well-being that you should also keep in mind and encourage in others. Try to eat a healthy, balanced diet as much as possible. Create a routine that allows you to get adequate sleep. Overworking isn't good for anyone. Stay in contact with family and friends. Actively maintaining your support network is essential. Times are tough, and coping in this intense situation isn't going to be easy. That's the reality. But by supporting each other, looking after one another, and seeking out the care we need, we can all maintain our personal well-being and keep ourselves healthy as best we can, and get through this together, ensuring we deliver positive change for children and their families together.